Welcome to a Forex Fully analysis. Today is Thursday, April 28th. It is currently 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'm just making this video on a quick recap of the past day's price action, New York session, and New York Open of today, and kind of what I'm looking at to end out the week, as it is the last business week of the month of April, and we are going into the new month of May, which I did address in my previous video this week of sell in May and go away. So we are approaching that season. We have to be aware of that. And again, just slower volume to end out the week, as it is the last business week of the month. So now going into US30 and equities as a whole for the past day and to end the week, US30 has been ranging between 33,600 and 33,200, which is 33,200 is the current lows for lower time frame. But just on the daily time frame here, as you can see, we bottomed out this week at, again, the key level and price sensitivity zone of 33,200, where the lows were around 33,100. And on the daily, we never closed below 33,200 there. And from these lows on the daily, obviously rejection and an aggressive bounce to the upside, where we're now actually testing 33,700 on the dot, which is right around here on the daily. So still stuck in that range between 33,800 and 33,200, about a 600 point range there. But we have saw some lower volume and liquidity within the markets as we are coming again to the end of the month of April, and we're entering the new business month of May. Again, sell in May and go away is coming up, so we have to be aware of that. Majority of the news from the IMF meeting last Thursday has already been priced in, and there has been no new fear, uncertainty, or doubt for this week, and there's been nothing to really whipsaw price back and forth. So yeah, that in terms of current FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt for the markets, everything's been priced in, so that's looking good to enter the new month as well. And again, US30 today, it did retest the lows. So now let me go into the lower time frame here. So again, this was the daily, and we did identify this range that for this week US30 has been stuck in, as we did open this week again and test up at 34,200, but completely broke down and now have been ranging. But to now go into the lower time frame, going into even the 4 hour here, right? You can clearly identify this range that we've been in, and the price is testing right now at 33,700, right? But it did retest these lows right here at 33,200, and from there we've just saw a bounce, but it's still in the range. So yeah, that's kind of the lows, and we did see for the fundamental news today, nothing really crazy, no high impact news relatively for this whole week. But for today, there was only I'm looking at Friday, my bad. For today, Thursday, there was advanced GDP, which was heavy impact news at 8:30 a.m. That actually didn't have any really impact on US30. Didn't really move price at all. Oh, we're actually breaking out above 700 now on US30. It's looking very nice. But yeah, for news in that sense, and honestly for this whole week, not too much. We did have unemployment claims as well. And then at 10:30 a.m., we saw natural gas storage, which natural gas storage did rise as expected. So that was nothing out of the ordinary. Everything kind of went as planned for that. Now going back to US30, we are getting a nice clean break now. 4 hours closing too in about an hour and a half. So that could be some nice confirms for buys. But anyways, going back to analysis here. So the order block range, which we're now starting to break out of, we'll see if we can get buys above 33,800. But we did see, so from the lows on this order block, at 33,200, we have now saw further pullbacks to the upside, as again, investors are looking to squeeze out as much profits as they can before the end of the month and going into the new month. So let's say, for example, right, they're squeezing out profits right now, squeezing out price to, let's say we could even touch 34K fly, right, before the end of the month. So tomorrow we have a push to 34K 34K, maybe even 34,300 or 34,100 around these previous highs that we rejected, right? If we do get a push up to that, that now gives investors a perfect price point to now go into May, sell in May, and go away. What are they looking at if they touch previous price sensitivity zones? They're going to be looking for sells all day because that's kind of the market sentiment right now. They're squeezing price as much as they can to take their profits, and then they're selling all the way back down to make even more money, right? So we just have to follow smart money and be aware of these zones and levels that investors are looking at, right? Other than that, we did fail to break again 33,200. 33,200 at these levels, and since there we've just had to bounce. But this was from, we did see sellers. Let me go in the 1 minute here and just kind of can really paint the picture of what I'm going to say here. So let me zoom out. Actually, I'll go from the 30, so paint a better picture. Yeah, there we go. So from the 30 minute here, right? So from these current highs at 35, that's actually the current, I guess, higher time frame highs from for right now. But from this 1,500 point sell that we saw, this was sellers driving down to the lows at 33,200, and then they failed to break because, again, this is a very sensitive price sensitivity zone and a key demand and order block area, right? So we have to just be aware of that. And sellers drove price down to this area, and then we're now seeing a pullback phase, again, still in the range, but we're seeing that pullback phase from these lows, where price tested now 33,700, breaking above this key demand zone. And now we're just going to kind of see how price reacts above 33. If we can break above 33,800, where then my targets above 33,800 would be the previous highs at 34,100, 34,200 to end out the week, right? But again, just further stating this, it's the end of the month, the business month, and we're going into May, which historically is sell in May and go away, right? So we just have to be aware of that. You don't want to get fucked over, burn your account, or do some stupid shit trying to catch the wrong buy or sell at the wrong area, right? So other than that, if we do go into the 1 minute now, just to kind of review price action of today, since these lows at 33,200, look at this bullish price action. Beautiful double bottom on the 1 minute here at 33,200, these historical price levels here that I have marked out. Beautiful buys, literally, how many? 400 point buys already, 40 pips, just like that. Oh, and we're breaking out. Now we're testing 800 as we speak. So I'm going to monitor that, and I will give an update if we break above there. But honestly, I'd be looking for buys above 33,800 if we can create some price action confirms. But yeah, other than that, I think that was all I had to cover for this video. Oh, another buy area that I wanted to mention, which we obviously broke above now, was 33,650. That was the previous 1 minute resistance right here. 33,650. Oh shit, that one's way bigger. My bad. Yeah, 33,650 around here. So we broke above that. Look at these clean buys on the 1 minute that you would have got above 650. But yeah, we broke above that. So looking for buys above 800 now. But again, I'm still in a bearish sentiment overall going into May. So we have to be aware of that. And obviously, I'm only looking for sells now. I'm not looking for sells, but if we did pull back, I'm only looking for sells below the current lows at 33,200, right? So that'd be sells. That's kind of my analysis for the past day because I didn't do a video yesterday. That was my bad, but we're back at it. And we did obviously, we saw some slower volume, and we might see some slower volume tomorrow to end out the week and the month. But I will be doing another trade ideas update to end out the week, and then I will be doing on Sunday a weekly recap, and then trade ideas to go into the new week and the new month of May, actually. So, yeah, hope everyone's been trading smart. I appreciate any feedback. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.